Hey guys, welcome to another Do Road with Dutty. Now this time I am in Montego Bay at the Secrets Resorts and Spa, something like that. And I'm there because I am shooting the final episode of the JPS Postmart Energy Challenge.
What's up YouTube, this is TheDuttyBerry and right now I'm just reaching out a room at Secrets Montego Bay. First time at Secrets and me about to go and check out the room. Now, yeah, I just want to know so because right now, boy, I don't need to see the room. Oh no, I don't need to see the room. Take a look.
Bunky Dino, so what is the closet? Alright, closet space and beer things. Now what is bathroom? Don't close. Bombidos. No, but I just stop going friends, so. But yeah, I love a good bathroom. Jeez, I'm some fine bathroom, something, you know. You don't like when the people them a dugu, and you just them and go so bombat. No, if my bathroom is still like this, I'm not lie. I paid out 5 times for the day. No, watch out. No, some need my bathroom for look so. Wow. I'll scale. No, I'm not step on no scale. I don't want to find a way. The man have toothpaste and toothbrush. I'm gonna carry toothpaste and toothbrush come from me on. I'm gonna put myself in the man. Berry. Watch out. Watch out. Oh gosh, I remember it. Oh, bathroom, nice clean toilet. Okay, artwork and them something there. Okay, let's keep it. Oh wait, I can't take shortcut. Shortcut. Whew. Bomba, they bet no, so watch out. Anyway, someone just showing the room. No, this look like the something with them they go on with the do in a twilight. This look like the type of bed. Yeah, the bed you come like it's a wrestling ring. Cheese and peas. Okay, nice. I'm having a little couch now. The room is nice though. I'm not like. This room is nice. Mirror again. Oh Jesus, peep. No, watch out. What do you call this? Panoramic view. This nice.
So yeah, now I'm trying to find where to go and have dinner. I think maybe I'm last, but hopefully I don't. I'm really hungry.
This is how we do it. 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 It's
Friday night.
Oh, Sunday.
Oh my gosh. So.
I mean, it's going good. The reason why I'm here because I shoot the JPS finals.
JP, oh, you mean?
Yeah, in a mobile, so they make me stay here.
That is excellent.
Yeah.
Alright, please today, I don't know. Oh my god, you know. Yeah. So, I'm here, so how do you treat the bar? Am I treat you good? Am I treat you? Good?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm here interview today. You want no interview here.
I like mobile nice, and I like the room. I like up here.
Why first?
Huh?
Why first?
I'm there, bless.
Say out.
Huh?
That's
That's crave.
This is some marijuana, okay?
What?
This is ganja. When I say gan, you say
But now I believe that.
Ganja. When I say gan, you say ganja.
Big up, stay good, Narcia. Ray. How that? Yeah, one.
So here what? Never have I ever used chopstick, but this man decided to him go and give me a little tutorial on how to use it.
And then you just take, you know, try.
No, dip it inside there.
And then you, everything together.
Wow.
Thank you.
Alright, so just a second ago I had sushi for the first time. It was pretty interesting. As you can see, I had a struggle trying to maneuver my way with the we call it chopsticks. Yeah, never again. A joke, I'll have it one more time. Okay, so now I'm heading back to my room so I can go take a little shower and jump down in a little, see if I can start a little bubble bath or something like that. Oh gosh, so it is first night. I'm gonna get some rest. I'm so tired. Tomorrow I have to go show in the bathroom. I have one of the best showers that I have ever or had in life. I watch some Family Guy around 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock now. I have to wake up by 7 o'clock to head to do the JPS shoot. I can't wait for see Yendi. Yendi! Good night. Okay, geez. So it's a beautiful day, as you can see. Taking the view, look on the view. All of these things. And I want to go and get breakfast because it's time to go to the shoot. I'm gonna take me around late, but we need to go meet Andre so we can go forward. Oh, some look close here. Also now, a breakfast time, but I don't know if I run too late. Some decide to make have some whatever this is. Don't judge me as I'm craving. But yeah, I'm there with some JPS people. I'm not so sure if they might get trouble. And like say them supposed to start work and them they have vacation. Let's go over here, so say hi to friends, big up anybody in England. Greetings across the world. That's my big friend over here.
Yeah man, big up on yourself.
If you owe your money, just message me, yeah? If you owe your money, just message me. Alright, so people, final shoot. I'm there. I get a little touch up before I go. G's and P. What you end there? You say hi to YouTube. Oh yeah.
Well, that's it, peeps. Thank you so much for watching another Do Road with Dutty. Oh gosh, take care. Until next time, part 2 of this special Mobile vlog where I can show you what happened on the final shoot day for the JPS Postmart Energy Challenge.
Big up the end with the baby here, them. Ray, what, lad, what? Oh, we are go.